Hi there, in this video I will be showing you how to attach the ears to your bunny after you've finished the body. So first you will mark the spots according to the pattern. Then what we're going to do is enter into that stitch and come out just on the other side of that post. Then we will join our yarn. I do not use a knot for this one. So after I'm done crocheting the ear, I will just hide that tail. So we chain one and we're going to single crochet, come out that same spot. And then it says to single crochet down one row, which is where I moved that pin. So we're going to go in that stitch right there and come out on the other side of that post. And that is the first row of your ear. Alright, so when we get to the last row and we've made our single crochet 3 together, we are going to chain one and then we're going to slip stitch to the base of that last stitch we grabbed. And then we'll fasten off. I do leave this tail long enough to be carried all the way down and hidden in the head. So when we're doing the edge, we'll carry that all the way down so it's hidden nice. Alright, now we are ready to add the second ear before we do the edge. So on this one it says to join at this stitch and then crochet up one round. So we're going to go in here under that post and then grab our yarn, pull it, oops, we're going to grab our yarn, pull it through, then we are going to chain one, pull that snug, and then go back in that same stitch and single crochet, again pulling that snug. Then we're going to do the same thing one row up where that pin is right here and come out on the other side here. Pull yarn over or under, pull through, and that is how you join your second ear. When we get to that last row, I do the stitch in here. You can separate that stitch a little bit so that it doesn't leave a gaping hole from that decrease. And that's the last single crochet that I will do. I will skip that turning chain and then we will put an increase into both of those stitches at the end. And here you can see where we fastened off. So I'm just going to pull that snug and we're going to go into that same stitch that we slip stitched into and then continue to work down this side of the ear. I like this a little bit so it kind of folds in just a little bit. I mean, if you don't like that, you can add another single crochet in there. But all right, when we go in that last row, what we're going to do is slip stitch where the very first single crochet was made into the head. And just pull the yarn through, cut it long enough to where you can hide it inside the ear there. And that is our finished ear. You can see on the back side how we have carried the yarn on both sides so it looks uniform. So what you'll do with this one is thread it onto a needle, skip a stitch or two, and go back in behind those stitches. I like my tapestry needle to be sharp so I can actually just go right through the yarn. I feel like that gives a more secure holding. And I pull it snug, but not so snug to where you can tell that it's pulling the stitches. And now you can't tell it. After you hide all the other ends, you'll be done with the ears.